Hello, I'm Sarah, and I have John here with me today from LHPU Training Solutions, and we're going to talk a little bit about how we work with the staffing industries out there.
LHPU, we're known for having candidates who are prepared and ready to hit the ground running day one on the job. We have several hiring managers that we work with that say, if you put an LHPU grad beside a regular employee that's college fresh out, our grads are going to be able to problem solve, think critically, be a part of a team, and fit in to that organization quicker than someone that does not have our training, because we know the importance and the value of soft skills development at LHPU and how it can make an impact on your career. And we are going to stretch you. We're going to allow you to come to a place at LHPU that feels safe. You may fail, but you're going to continue to persevere and push through until you find a way to overcome that obstacle. And that's why I think LHPU is so valuable and why we think you should join us.
Great. So 2 things that you can find at LHPU.com. That is our training schedule that is coming up. But also, if you are a hiring manager or you work within the staffing industry, you can visit LHPU.com and contact us so we can put you in touch with some quality candidates for the next job role that you're trying to fill.